We have just completed the 9th edition of the Bologna-Clermont-Dortmund School, held historically in Cargèse. This is the first year in which the international master students are welcome in the school with the Erasmus Mundus label.
Sorry.
Good morning. Welcome to Cargèse. I'm Agaetis. I'm working for the Institut. We organize about 30 scientific events per year. We welcome about 2,000 persons from all over the world, mostly in the physics discipline.
So the IMAP Initiative has started back in 2015 when we wanted to build up a pedagogical framework in between the Dortmund, Bologna and Clermont universities. And the first pedagogical object that we have created was this spring school to be held in Corsica. This year is a special one because this is the first year in which the international master students are welcome in the school with the Erasmus Mundus label. So that means that for this year we had 20 nationalities which were present, and that made a rich and interesting diversity.
My name is Adwait from India.
I'm Ben and I'm from Australia.
I'm Vinicius, I'm from Brazil.
I come from South Punjab, Pakistan.
I come from France.
From Germany.
I am from Mexico.
I came from Nigeria.
I am from Turkey.
I'm from Italy.
I am from South Sudan.
The location is beautiful.
The campus is really beautiful.
We have an opportunity here of attend to more classes.
To focus on physics, attend this seminar on the new fields, on new discoveries.
It's been a different approach to learning in a different place, in different environment.
It really puts things into perspective, like what you're studying in the course, I think is a step more that we would have.
It is absolutely amazing here.
The pedagogical contents of the school were organized around our standard program, and that first considers the standard model of particle physics. We are giving back the basis of the standard model, but we are giving them with some advanced concepts that hopefully the students will use in the rest of their studies. And this year we had the pleasure to welcome Ulrich Nierste, who is a theoretical physicist from Karlsruhe University. Louis Corpi from the Clermont University. And Émilie Shida, also from the Clermont University. Among the different pedagogical items that we are proposing in this school, we are organizing a young scientist forum. That is the occasion for the students to present, often for the first time in an international environment, scientific communication of a subject of their interest, mostly in particle physics and mostly related to the initiatory research work that they have completed earlier in their studies. Usually that event is a very fresh one, and this year it was as well a success, I believe.
Basically focused on the magnetic monopoles. So basically what we know about the magnetic monopole, for magnets in general, you can only have them come with two poles, right? There's the north and the south pole, and if you divide that into two, you automatically have a new north and south pole. Found that we could actually have just the North Pole and just the South Pole. It's just, this is beyond the current state of physics, and so we go beyond what is known in the research that I did. And my own major focus in my research work was to distinguish between the spin zero monopole and the spin half monopole, and what we expect that this monopole candidate should actually look like. I really enjoyed this program here in Cargèse. I think it's because of the structuring of the program, the fact that the current state of arts in physics has been discussed. I've always liked the idea of us knowing what is currently going on in physics and feeling like you could actually contribute to what is currently being worked on. I think that is what I find remarkable about it.
So my presentation was on an analog of Andreev reflection, which is a physics phenomena which occurs when normal medium and a superconductor medium are in contact, and when an electron moves towards a superconductor region and is reflected as a whole. Analogy, I used the photonics physics and exciton polariton, and I use also some analogy of quantum well-like behavior and tunneling effect. The school in Cargèse is really good, as you can see, there's sun. And just be the classmate in this environment is really, really wonderful.
The thing that I like the best is the student presentations, because they're short and you see a different field of research, so I kind of like that.